Next up, we'll look at riff number 3, which is based around palm muting. Now, palm muting power chords with continuous downstrokes is essential in capturing the punk sound. And that's because it gives us this buildup of energy that creates this feeling of urgency and excitement and all that. So think about songs like Cherry Bomb by the Runaways or Search and Destroy by Iggy Pop and the Stooges. This type of gathering of energy in one chord that then momentarily gets released in the next chord, then comes back in, is very, very typical in punk. Let's go and check out the riff. Starts with a C sharp power chord, and we're going to play the chord without muting the beginning. And then we're starting the palm muted downstrokes. This is in both notes, so both A and D strings. And then we're going to just blow off some steam. Where is that happening? That's happening on the E power chord. And then back to the palm muting. Again to the E, and the cycle repeats. This happens 4 times, but again, the 4th time we've got a variation. And what's that variation going to be? This is where the palm muting stops, and then it goes right away to the E. So that's a whole bar of E power chords. Again, everything is a downstroke. Let me put it into action. I'll play the whole riff at a slow click. Let's go. Notice how much bigger the motion can get the more excitement you're giving it. So in any case, this is the most important bit here, the vibe, the energy. You want to hold on to this excitement and urgency that this pumping rhythm creates. So what you want to do, again, don't worry too much if it's a little messy, just keep at it and make sure you're giving all the excitement on those palm muted notes. Then when you go to the E chord, you can blow off some steam, then come back to the excitement and urgency. Like we've said before, punk is more about the intention, less about the technique. Good luck practicing. I'll see you in the next video.